Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide other players in Dress to Impress. So if you try of the crowd blocking your perfect screenshot or outfit reveals, in this easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly the secret trick to hide other players in DTI. So what you need to do in here, once you're in the main area or in the in the dresser rooms, you can just here click on this gear icon to go to the game setting, DTI settings, and there will be this options to hide players. So this is the new updates in the Easter update on DTI, so you can hide players, all of it or only specific player. So if you got someone bothering you on the game, you can just hide them by clicking on this hide options, or you can also just hide them all by clicking on this hide. So once you do that, in here, as you guys can see, there will be no one in the dressing room. So it's perfect for fashion icons who want their moment to shine without distraction. So drop the comment if you have any question. And don't forget to like and also subscribe and click on the thanks. Bye.